So here we have the 2016 Ford Transit van. I'm just gonna walk around it real quick and show you any cosmetic issues that I might see. Oh, that could just be washed off. Then I'll show you the inside. I'll start the engine up just to give you an idea of what it looks like, what it sounds like. It's locked. Unlock. Oh yeah. So it looks like here it has a little nick right there. And a scratch here. So this is the driver door, driver seat, passenger seat, and then you have all of those seats in the back. So in total we have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Turn this on. Oh. Go. See, no check engine light on. This is what your control looks like. Control the AC from here, which is nice. You got radio, CD, media. And then this is what your headliner looks like. If we put it in reverse, we have a little reverse camera back there. And then I'll show you the rest of the vehicle. I'll open it up on the side and show you the engine. So this is what it looks like with the side door open. Let me go back out a little bit so you can see. Got plenty of space. So you have these seats here. You got these, and as you can see, the back seats where this last row is currently missing. We don't have that. This is the emergency exit, and then this is what it looks like from back here.